Hi, today we have a fun product review. This was sent to me by this brand. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. First of all, let me say it is for a baby girl. It's a baptismal kind of christening, birth gift, and it's going to be really special. You can see by the packaging already that they take a lot of pride in this gift, and it's just so simply elegant to bring for the new blessing in your life. Let's check this out. Okay, let's open it up. Wrapped really nicely. We have a greeting card. I'm not going to share that with you. That can be a surprise. We have a nicely packaged with some tissue paper and the branding of the Highmark Collective. Okay, so this is absolutely adorable. This is a 10-inch plush. It's a praying lamb, if you can see it up close here. Pink bow in the hair. I'm going to tell you, you should be able to see how soft this is just by looking at it. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Bamboo muslin blanket. It's really soft. It's lightweight for baby to hold on to. Very, very sweet. But I want to point out that the colors on this and the lamb are so soothing, so comforting. Really, really very nice. Now let's go a little further in here because we still have another item in this gift box, and it is absolutely precious. So here we have the 3-piece gift set. We have the lamb. The plush lamb is so snuggly, so cuddly. I don't want to put it down. It's a 10-inch lamb. It doesn't have anything on it that can come off and be harmful. It's just very snuggly, very cuddly. And I want to draw your attention to the very, very soft, comforting colors. Look at this. Just very, very muted, very pretty. A little pop of pink for that little baby girl. Now, coming back, we see the muslin blanket. This is not super, super heavy. It's perfect weight for baby. And I'm going to put it up close so that you can see the texture on the blanket. Just really soft and snuggly, because we all know babies just want to have something to hold on to. And it's a little lightweight, so it'll keep them not too hot, but have something comforting on their skin. This will last forever. Simple, no artificial colors, no strange plasticky feeling fibers. Very simple bamboo muslin blanket for baby. And then finally, my favorite part of this is Little Lamb's first prayer book. This, first of all, the most important part about it is it's not too heavy. There's only about 8 pages in there, I think. It is a cardstock book. Baby can't wrinkle it or tear pages out. And then also the rounded corners make it safer for the baby, so it's not going to be poking or scratching. So let's check out the book itself. So we have some really pretty illustrations. Note that they used all soft, soothing, calming colors for baby. On one side of the book, we tell a part of the story about Little Lamb. And then on the opposite facing page, we have a prayer for Little Lamb. It's very, very nicely done and well thought out. And the prayers are simple, but yet very soothing. Such a cute, cute idea for a gift for a brand new baby, baptism or christening. Really, really thoughtful. Check this out if you have a new arrival. This is an awesome gift idea. Thank you to the brand and thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful.